What is balance advantage fund? Why should I invest in balance advantage fund? We have our industry expert Usha Nair with us to answer these investment questions. Usha, could you please enlighten us more on this balance advantage fund?
Yes, it is. It is definitely good to invest in balanced advantage fund. It is. It brings in that balance. I mean, not just the name I'm copying, but there is a mix of multiple assets. It's also a combination of assets that you are talking about, right? There is equities, there is debt, there is gold, there are international investing that you can do. All of these are opportunities that are available for one to invest, and some of the balanced advantage funds are structured to take care of those aspects. Some are not currently, but as things evolve, all of these changes will come. But the most important aspect of a balanced advantage fund is the type of that category is there is a rule that is determined that if this happens in the stock market, this will be my equity allocation, and if this happens, this will be the allocation. So it is a predefined metrics. It is like an automated process, and the process moves on basis which your asset allocation is rebalanced. Now, being a mutual fund scheme, we are exempt from paying tax when we do it. So on your behalf, I am doing in some way asset allocation by not paying tax. The only difference is I do it at a fund level. It is done more at a customized personal level. So that's a difference. But I save you tax on your asset allocation when you're investing in a balanced advantage fund.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.